Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a convertible 69 Chevelle, and it is absolutely beautiful, guys. Drop dead gorgeous. It's got power, everything, and it has been restored to the 9th level, baby. She is gorgeous. Now, on the paint work, beautiful job. We've got one little touch up here, one little touch up here. Other than that, I haven't found anything wrong with the paint. All the body lines are lining up sweet. You see how the hood is nice and flush there? All those body lines looking great. When you look down the side of the car, man, she is straight as an arrow. Beautiful work on this car. All the door gaps look good. Looking sweet. Now this one's just a little bit tighter at the top than at the bottom. Now this one's looking sweet, top to bottom, nice and flush. You see the reflections are looking good. Door handle chrome looks good. All of these moldings look like they were replaced. Now look how easy that door opens. Slick as can be. Looky here, look how nice and clean all this is. You see the rubber's been replaced. The door panel looks good. Look at this door jamb here. Look how nice and clean all of that is. Man, the attention to detail on this car is second to none. Look at that steering wheel. It's a tilt column. Now this car's got power everything, power windows, power top. Got seat belts in the back, of course. Now, if you want to check out a bunch of pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You can see all the accessories on the dash are looking sweet. All the paint work, all the chrome, everything looking good. Staples shifter and a center console. Just absolutely beautiful. Look down that quarter panel. You can see all the reflections are gorgeous. Now it is a Malibu, so you know that's an upgraded Chevelle. So it's got all the bells and whistles. It's even got the vacuum release for the trunk in the glove box. Look inside that trunk, man. That trunk, you could eat in there, baby. That is beautiful. See the wheel wells nice and clean. Backsides of the quarters are nice and clean. Look at around here. Look how nice and clean and neat and tidy all that is. The lips on the deck lid are looking sweet. The latches look good. All the chrome around the tail lights look good. The lenses look good. The emblems look great. Just beautiful. When you look down the side of the car, just amazing the amount of hours the body man spent painting this car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this convertible, so you can bet we spent the time to check this baby out before we bought it. Now, as we do no consignment here at Vanguard, that's well over 200 cars we have in stock. So you can bet we spend the time to check these cars out before we buy them. Then when they get here to the shop, we inspect them so Tom can answer any questions you may have about the car. So call him at 248-974-9513. Now I've got about 35 years of experience in the business, and I'm going to put those 35 years of experience to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. Let's take this Malibu for a ride. Top down, ready to go. Got all the options. Electric windows, electric top. This thing's ready to go, guys. What a sweet ride we got right here. Now call us, we can ship it anywhere in the world. Tom is a professional and he will take care of all the paperwork for you. If you need any help with financing, he will take care of all of that for you too. All you need to do is make that phone call to Tom at 248-974-9513. He will explain the whole process to you and how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now we're gonna go through the whole car for you. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this Malibu investment. Now y'all know that all Chevelles are Malibus, or all Malibus are Chevelles. They start out as a Malibu or as a Chevelle, and then they're upgraded to the Malibu package. That's all the goodies. And this one's got them all, guys. What a sweet ride it is too. You can see down here on the dash, everything's working. We got the speedos working down there, the tach's working, all the gauges. It's even got an 8-track tape player. I wish I had my Johnny Cash tape I could put in there. Man, that'd be sweet. Even the horn's working. Isn't that neat? I love these little skinny steering wheels. So cool. It's got tilt column, it's got cruise control, staple shifter. It's got the stock AM/FM radio. I haven't even turned it on. It is making static just like AM radios do. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack and we're gonna show you the bottom side. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Malibu Chevelle investment. We're gonna get here to the shop right now. Now we're real close to the airport if you'd like to come in and check it out in person. As a matter of fact, we encourage you to come on in and check it out if you can. Even though 95% of our customers buy sight unseen. So stick with us, we're gonna get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Chevelle now, and man, it is pretty under here. You can see that it looks like the tank's been restored. The trunk floor looks original to the car. It's in good shape. Bushings look like they were replaced at one time. The exhaust definitely looks like it's been replaced at one time. Drop downs look good. Rear end is a 12 bolt, right around the 331 gear. And it is an open rear end. Now the brakes, our guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see the brake lines have been replaced. You can see that the shocks look like they've been replaced at one time. The bushings definitely look like they've been replaced at one time. The frame all looks to be in good shape. I always look inside these holes to check those out. Looks like the fuel line is new from front to back. Looks like the brake line is new from front to back. Looks like the parking brake cable's new front to back. They've restored the drive shaft. The floorboards do look like they are in beautiful shape here. The frame is nicely coated here, looking sweet. Cross members also been restored. Turbo 350 trans is not original to the car. Looking good, all restored, looking sweet. Another low area in the frame you want to look at on every car you look at. You can look inside these holes. Again, this frame's looking sweet. Disc brakes up front. Again, the guys are going to check it out good. Looks like the flex lines are new. Looks like the ball joints are new. Backing plates are definitely looking good. Also looks like the shocks were replaced at one time. Always check the cross member too. This cross member's looking sweet. Bushings on the sway bar looking good. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Always look at that. You can tell whether the car's been in a solid front end collision. Always look at the core support too. One of the first things to go on these cars. These things fill up with crap and rot out. This core support's looking good. You can also see that the front bumper has been replaced. Definitely a re-chromed unit. Looking good. You can see all the new hardware, bolts, nuts, and everything here. All the steering gears also looking good. We got nice paint on the wheels here. Trim rings are looking good. Center caps also looking good. Redline tires, nice choice on the wheels here. They're looking good. It looks like we got to get the size off the back side. Looks like they only put the size on the back side here. I'm gonna have to steal my light here from my cameraman here for a second. These are BFG's 225/70 15s back here. And you can see the wheel wells there are looking nice and clean there. All new hardware there also. You can see these rockers. Everything's looking nice and clean. Always look at the bottom side of the rocker. You can see the painter took the time to finish right down to the bottom side. That tells you that he was detail oriented, and that's the kind of guy you want restoring your car. Look at these wheels. Man, they're looking sweet. And I'll check the size on these on the back also. Same size back here, 225/70/15s back here. And again, the wheel well's looking good. Always feel this lip too. Again, that's where the car's rotted out. All I feel there is nice, clean metal where the inner wheelhouse comes to the quarter there. Again, I always tell guys, be careful. That little screw right there is sharp as hell. I have ripped up more than one finger on those. And the edge of that metal is also sharp, so be real careful. Now let's get under the hood and check out that numbers matching 350, making the power. All right, under the hood here, we've got the numbers matching 350. Now we found the numbers down by the oil filter in the rough casting. And those pictures are in our pictures. So go to VanguardMotorsales.com. You can see those pictures in the casting. We verified the casting date on the motor as being August of '68. So we've got the exhaust manifolds looking good here. We've got good looking paint on the motor. We got good looking valve covers. Now the carburetor also very well could be the original carburetor. It is a quadrajet. It is an automatic carburetor. We've got the correct hose clamps on here. We've got the correct hoses. We got GM markings on here. We've got the correct AC pump here. You can see that the fiberglass on the evaporator housing's looking good. You can see they carried the paintwork on the front fenders right into the opening here. The firewall's nice and clean there. It looks like the correct distributor on there, or at least a period correct distributor. We do have power brakes. We do have power steering. Everything about this thing's looking sweet, guys. Just beautiful. Even have the light for the under the hood. It's just not working right now, but it is in there. It does have, look at that. That is the cruise control mechanism there. Isn't that cool? This car is loaded up with all kinds of options here. It does have the top for the battery here to make it look like the old-fashioned battery. We do have the battery cable off there just for safety. For storage, I suggest that you, oh yeah, the light does work when you hook up the battery cable there. My cameraman's a lot smarter than I am. By the way, he's my son. Chip off the old block. Anyway, back to the car. The cross-flow radiator here. We've got, looks like a brand new fan clutch on there. Just a beautiful unit here, guys. You just don't find them restored to this level. And it is a top go down car. She's numbers matching motor. Just gorgeous. Now, like I said, we've got copies of all the numbers that we found on the motor in the ad. Check it out. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.